students. Welcome to our Narayana live classes. Today, 7th class English. Topic is Unit 2A. This is assignment 3. In this, they had given one passage. They are asking us to write the meanings of that. And here, his parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. For each sentence, they have given four options. That is, keen meaning we have to opt. Eager. Keen means here eager. Eager is nothing but more interested. The word hailed the discovery as the Raman effect. The options are admired, called, thought. That is, admired means here appreciated. That is, hailed means admired. Next, third one. In his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustics. Now here, mainly. Here, the word, underlined word is mainly. Mainly means here primarily. That is the most important for him. Primarily means here, it is most primer means here first preference. Okay. Next one. The British made Raman a knight of the British Empire. Now here, the underlined word is made. Made is placed. Okay, he was given a great position by the British. Next one, Raman passed away on November 21st, 1970. Passed away is a underlined word, so that is died. Passed away means died. This is a underlined words and correct meanings. Next one, fill in the blanks with a suitable noun form of the underlined words in each sentence. They have underlined shocked. Okay, shocked is the underlined word. We have to write the noun form in the blanks. They have given the blanks. We have to write the noun form. So shocked is the verb. Shock is the noun. Okay, the sentence is, he was shocked to see a snake in his room, but he recovered from his shock in no time. Means here within a few minutes only he came out of that shock. So that is shocked is given. We have to write the noun form shock. Next one, he pretended to look relieved, but in fact he did not have any dash. See here, relieved, again verb. So relieved is the verb, relief is a noun. Means here, as soon as he saw the snake, after some time he came out of the shock and he got some relaxation. That is relief he got. Next one, I can understand your dash, but do not be so excited that you have a health problem. Excited is the underlined word actually. We have to write the noun form excitement. He was so excited about his health. That excitement, that this is the noun form. Raju, an auto driver, was very honest. His dash was known to everybody. So now here, honest, it is an adjective. Honest is the noun. Is it clear now? So here, this verb forms, adjective forms they had given. These three are verb. Honest is the adjective. Honesty is the noun. Shock, relief, and excitement. This honesty. These are all the noun forms we have to write for the given words. Next bit, here is a list of some common abbreviations. Write their full form. Abbreviations are given, full form we have to write. BA. BA is nothing but Bachelor of Arts. After completing +2, we will go for this BA or BCom degree holders. They will go for this subjects. Or else after +2 you can go for the this MSET, engineering and NEET, whatever your wish is. So here generally some students will opt for this optionals. That is arts they will go for. So they wanted to become some IAS, IPS. So that is the reason they will opt this arts groups. That is BA, Bachelor of Arts. AD, after death, before Christ, after death we will discuss. No, that is AD, after death, or Anno Domini also we will call it. Anno Domini or after death, both are same only. BC, before Christ. Before Christ means here before the Christ's birth. AD means here after the death of Jesus Christ. Okay, next CM, Chief Minister. This is very easiest one for us. So these are the abbreviations and these are all the full forms. So why these abbreviations will be used? To know, means here this every time we can't write Bachelor of Arts, after death, before Christ. Suppose BC 493 year is there, so we can't write before Christ. Like this we can't write every time. So that's why here these abbreviations, the short forms will be written. So that is the use of this abbreviations. Next one, short form of the word is given. We have to write full form of the word. Now here this one, plain. What is plain? Short form of the plain. Means here actually this is full form. Here they have given short forms. This is just we have to keep in our mind, and just if you read the lesson you will come to know all these things. Plane, aeroplane, kilo, kilogram, para, paragraph, specs, spectacles, photo, photograph. So here these are all the full form of the words, and here they had given short forms, and two more are there. I'll write just now. 19th one is bike. Bike means we know. Okay, moped. So motor bike, that is mic, microphone. Okay, these are the short forms they had given, and full form of the words here we have written. Is it clear now? Okay, thank you.